I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment and getting the bot ready to run. Install the bot package now and make sure you have Python 3, 10 plus or Node 18 plus. This ensures compatibility. Once done, create a dedicated account or sandbox to isolate automation and securely record API keys. Make sure to enable accessibility and input permissions so the bot can simulate clicks and keystrokes. Finally, open a small test area in the target app. You'll use it immediately to verify basic actions. You now configure the bot's tasks and the decision logic it will follow. Map user interface elements using coordinates, image templates, or DOM selectors depending on the target. This tells the bot where to click. Then build sequences combining delays, loops, conditional branches, and retry rules so behavior is predictable under variability. Once configured, run and test each segment individually. Review logs and exception traces to catch timing or selector failures. Remember to tune weights and retry thresholds to balance speed and reliability. You complete the setup by running the bot in a controlled way and watching its behavior. Start with a dry or simulated run to verify clicks and expected outcomes, then run on low-volume data while monitoring logs, CPU, and memory. Make sure to enable alerts for errors so you can stop if something goes wrong. If the bot fails, inspect logs to identify bad selectors or timing issues, increase weights, refine element matching, and add retry logic. A key troubleshooting tip: if intermittent failures persist, switch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.